Magic candle. Oh, hello. Baba. This is what frustrates me about some people. You know, there's an ambulance coming the other way and the Audi clearly pulled over to let the ambulance through. The woman in that little red Toyota Starlet thing, I think that's what it was, behind, clearly didn't see the bloody great blue lights flashing in her rear view mirror and just pulled out and overtook the Audi and then realised, oh, what? And then she pulled in. Unbelievable how unobservant some people are on the roads. It's phenomenal. Never known anything like it. So yeah, we're heading off to our friends to have some dinner because it's his birthday, and we'll be there very soon. Patrick's sitting in his throne as usual, all comfortable, aren't you? Yeah. Got a bit of a sore bum at the moment. He's got a bit of a red rash around his bum. He's never had a rash, a nappy rash or anything since he was born. So in 12 months, he's never once had a nappy rash. And all of a sudden, he's getting it now. It's really strange. He's obviously peeing a lot more. But we're changing him more often now. We're changing him a lot more now.
Because he doesn't drink water.
What do you mean he doesn't drink water? It's got nothing to do with it. I don't know why he's getting this rash around him.
So cute.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
That's different. I haven't had that before. Something interesting on the ceiling? No? Okay. Nice bright sun tonight. Huh? Don't start speaking Chinese to me.
Daddy.
Daddy, not Baba.
Baba.
Baba is an elephant. Rabbits. See the rabbits?
No.
No. Your observation skills are brilliant, aren't they? I don't know how you could miss them. Two massive great rabbits sitting on the roundabout there. Yeah. Okay, we're having Korean barbecue for dinner. So nice. Korean barbecue. So tasty. Compliments of Shen.
Thank you.
The last bit, that was a bit.
Hello! Hello! Hello!
I wonder what had caught his attention.
Yeah, you like playing with us, don't you? But I'm worried when I give you this, I don't get it back.
Are you Mr. Photogenic, are you?
Yes. Sorry. Okay, do you want to hold it for a minute? You hold it for a minute. Yeah, you hold it.
There.
Oh, twisty turn. I know.
Daddy's.
Huh?
Give to Daddy.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Thank you. Okay, so we've got beef, we've got chicken, we've got mushrooms, we've got sweet potato, we've got normal potatoes, and we've got shrimp. Very nice. Oh, and squid, and pork. Lovely. And it's all for us, just us two. Fantastic. And salad. Okay, so we're all full now and off on our way home. It's 10:15 at night, and Patrick is still awake, as you can see. But he's had a lovely time, hasn't you, monkey? Yes, he has. And I'm completely full. Are you full?
Yeah.
Is all I'm going to get from you? Yeah. Okay. Full of conversation. So yeah, see you later.
Oh my god.
Fucking idiot. Seriously, what was you trying to do? This is how Patrick likes to lay in the morning. Comfortable? Got your leg up.
grabbed hold of your towel. You comfortable there? Yeah? You're so cute, aren't you? Lovely boy.
Oh, good morning. It's Saturday. It's still morning, just. We're just heading off to pick something up, and then we're going to Malcolm and Roots because it's Callum's birthday today. It's 8 today. And as you can hear and see, because I'm on the other side of the car, obviously, it's Mustang Day. Nice bit of sun. Forgot my sunglasses, but never mind. Probably going to be cloudy later, and they said it's going to rain this afternoon, but I don't care. It's nice to be out in it for a change. It's been over 2 weeks now. I haven't been in this car for over 2 weeks, and I miss it. Okay, the time is 12 o'clock, just past, and we're now heading off to Malcolm and Roots. Mary's munching on a sandwich because she's got a headache. Patrick's munching on his bottle because he's hungry. Petrol in the car, ready to go. Seems to be a Porsche RS2 maybe behind us, and maybe a Nissan 370Z. Obviously the roads are very busy, so you can't really do a great deal. And the Nissan went through a red light. Saw that. And of course, with Mary and Patrick on board, I can't really do a great deal anyway. And of course, I can't go over 70 miles an hour, so... Where are you going? No, that's not yours.
Go in my bag.
Oi!
Patrick.
Hello!
Why?
You want a cuddle? Oh, so nice. Something's going on around here.
And I was talking,
No.
breath away, I couldn't talk. I went on for ages.
I'm trying to open the lid.
Oh, chop the going. But there's nothing wrong with me. That's what hospital said.
Bottle. Bottle. Mustang. Mustang.
Drink water.
Patrick. Mustang. That's close enough. Yeah, that'll do. 2 syllables. I'm happy. Let's play a word association game. Mustang. God, he's clever, isn't he? Word association. Give me 5. Give me 5. Don't leave me hanging. Wait. Give me 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay, all right. Give me 5. Yeah, good boy. Donuts. It does look like a Simpsons donut, doesn't it? Donut.
Oh.
Magic candle. Oh, hello.
To you.
Oh, look at that. Happy birthday, dear monkey. Happy birthday to you. Oh, that's pretty.
I can't see.
Oh, very good.
Awesome.
That's pretty impressive,
Well
actually.
done.
Yeah.
Whack it. Keep going. And again.
Oh, that's the strangest cake I've ever seen.
And again.
Go on, smash it. Not too much. Don't be crazy with it.
Go round.
Oh, look at that.
Can't see.
What's underneath it?
I was like, what?
Yeah, that's enough.
Wow.
I can take a look now.
Jeez.
Ah, look at that, look.
And there is cake underneath it as well.
Look at all the E numbers in there. You'll be up until June.
Tomorrow, yeah, at least tomorrow.
No, no cake for you.
Then we've got some.
All right, cake for you. No more cake for you then. Okay, so we've finished now and we're now heading off home. So time to relax and enjoy ourselves. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Ready, go! Yeehaw! Is that good?
You'll soon get used to it.
Yeah. Oh, how cool is that?
Is that alright? Anyway,
Yeah, it's
we
fantastic. Thank you.
Oh, that way. This way.
Yay!
Standing up!
Whoa!
It's under that. It's under that.
Oh, careful!
Is it cool?
Cool! I know! You just jump straight on it!
Yeah. We have that little horse and more taller than this one. He can do it.
Yay!
Yay!
He's clever! He's off!